We're going to this kind of secluded beach. It's called the Red Beach. So we were given a tip by a local. That sign says it's dangerous. So. Red Sand Beach is right over there. It's kind of all red. Little private area.
Don't leave me here forever. Don't let me be alone. Just you and me together. Don't let me lose hope.
But not Thai.
What did you want?
How many dishes did you get?
I got
Somebody grab rice,
1,
please.
2, 3.
Drinks.
We have mango juice and Thai iced tea and water.
Mango juice. 3, right? That's not bad.
Yeah, he was a chicken to practice his.
Me too, yeah, I should. How's your can, Ash? Good? Mine tastes like Chinese food. That doesn't taste like Thai.
Huh?
That tastes like Chinese food. There's this big tree here. Like a big tree. It's the bamboo forest here. We're way up in the mountains, well, 3 miles up. Yeah, look at that. It's just straight up bamboo.
외롭다는 말로는 누구도 만날 수 없어 지쳐있는 나에게 그대가 필요해 거울 속엔 더 이상 내가 보이질 않고
This is the waterfall. We're finally here, like way up there.
In the Grand Canyon, the Navajo Nation, if you do something for them, they will often present you with a
Guys,
basket of
turn
food
around,
and
guys.
goodies and things like that. It's not always about monetary things.
The Ottawa, the Matahawa, I think.
So they would do that kind of.
We're up at the summit here, Haleakala National Park. It's the same thing. Yeah, they're good shots. Turn around, it's on video. It's a pretty good shot.
$3 on you guys.
No, you don't know.
Look, there's one right there.
It's the view you're looking at, right, yeah?
Hmm?
It's the view you're looking at, right?
Mm-hmm. This is the missing summit.
This is like Mars here. We're walking around the crater here, up on the Haleakala summit, and people are walking way down there. It's like Mars. Ash, where's your astronaut suit?
In Africa.
You're on Mars right now. Moving slow there, yeah. We're in the crater right now. The Haleakala Mountain. Like those red things are oils from the mountain. That's a nice view, guys.
Give props to the
Nice view.
I wanted to go over there. Go
Yeah.
ahead, take your time. Why was just sitting right here?
I think we're fine. Turn around, guys. Say hi.
Bye. Hi.
You got what?
I can't sit in this car no more.
Why?
I found a bug crawling on me.
No, there's no bug crawling on you. Where you going, Kia?
I'm going to have me some dinner at some food trucks.
We're up in Ntau, Hana Ranch, which is up on a hill by the general store and everything. It's a pretty small town. It's about Jamong Yanchangdu. Just overlooks the ocean here. You've been around the world for the last 10 years. You've been to almost every continent except for Africa and South America. Right? You've been to the most exotic places in the world. Except for one more on your list. I know which one that is. But I think you've been to all of the exotic places in the world. Where would you put Maui on that list? That's the question. Oh, you gonna answer that, Ash? Or is
What?
that?
It says I'm blocked on Instagram. Okay. I say Maui is.
Why are you blocking
Well,
Instagram?
food's here, guys.
Thank you.
Is that your chicken pasta?
I'd say my first have to be Bali, then
Oh,
Thailand.
mine look pretty good, guys.
Soy sauce? Do you want soy sauce?
Yeah. Please. What about hot sauce? Yeah. Hot sauce?
And hot sauce.
Yeah, some kind of hot sauce.
Are you listening?
Yeah. What's it? Okay. What's that?
It'd be Bali, Thailand. Oh, like exotic places?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Paris.
Bali, Thailand.
Oh, Venice. What about Venice?
Venice is not exotic.
Yeah,
do you know
it's,
what the, do you know what-
exotic is like,
yeah, exotic is
Oh.
like tropical, rainforest.
that's like touristy.
Well, Venice is pretty exotic, right?
No, it's
Thank
just
you.
touristy.
Oh.
You obviously don't know the definition of exotic. Exotic is out of the
So
ordinary.
obviously Bali's the top of your list.
Yeah.
And then Thailand.
Yeah.
What about you, honey?
The most exotic place would be Bora Bora, Tahiti.
Yep.
I've never been.
Someday, Dr. Ashley.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, and then what else, honey? Yeah.
I would say Bora Bora and then Tahiti. Yeah, I would definitely put Bali up there,
Yeah.
and then Thailand.
Thailand.
Yeah, and then
Phuket,
Maui.
right?
Yeah, definitely Phuket. Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm going backwards.
To
being
Maui?
here. Yeah.
Yeah. I don't get that exotic feel here.
Yeah.
Or maybe they've kind of modernized too much already. It's not like Bali or Thailand, right?
Right.
Yeah. I would say hands down, if you would to ask me to rate it, I would say Bali is like 10 times more exotic.
Yeah.
Completely. But if you want to go to most exotic, definitely Bora Bora, right? Yeah. But there's one on your list. What is that?
The Maldives.
That's on your list. Yeah. What's on your list, Ash?
Japan.
Japan,
The Singapore, Philippines.
Singapore. Just because you want to go to that something
Infinity pool.
Infinity pool. All right, I'm gonna eat my food right now.
You're so stupid.
Wait until you're what's the movies that are
18.
under 17?
Rated
Under
R?
18? Rated R, yeah.
Rated R.
Wait until you're 18 and then we'll tell you all the rated R stuff.
I don't need to know that. I'm good in my little zone over here.
So we're not boring, guys.
Yes, I now know that.
You have one of the most coolest parents.
Yes, I now know that. I was telling Kyla about our conversation in the elevator in the weed hotel. And Kyla's like, bro, your parents are fucking cool. I'm just like,
What conversation?
in the hotel, the weed hotel. No, I told Kyla a conversation. She was like, dude, your parents are fucking awesome. And I was like, shut up. She was like, I wish they were my parents. I was like, no. I was like, no. Why are you laughing so? It's not that funny, dude. I think your beer got to you a little.
I think so too.
You are so stupid. Okay, I think we all had a little too much to drink tonight. You're so ugly. You're so stupid.
Pick up the chocolate.
See? Mama always knows.
You're so
The
stupid.
alcohol.
Oh, really?
How do you think we're cool parents, Ash?
I guess so.
I just made that shit up.
Wait, it's water. It works.
You're so stupid. He was so confident too. It's alcohol. It worked.
Don't leave me here forever. Don't let me be alone. Just you